How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new episode of the Sarthak Show, and today we are here to discuss about the situation of two Chelsea strikers. One, of course, is about to leave, and one who is, of course, about to be welcomed by all the Chelsea fans. That is the homecoming. So, without waiting, let's get into the video straight away. So, let's start with some basic news on Tammy Abraham. As we all are aware that Tammy Abraham has been linked from move away from Stamford Bridge only, and this is not a secret anymore. Roma are now in the hunt for the striker because Jose Mourinho has personally asked for Tammy to join Chelsea. Of course, Tammy with Jose doesn't have a very good history. He was once there when Tammy was very young, but right now, Tammy is a very matured guy. He's a very much reluctant striker who wants to have some minutes basically. That is the situation right now. And if you're not getting minutes under any manager, you will likely to move. Of course, Chelsea have accepted Roma's evaluation of 34 million euros, but there is yet to be seen that will Tammy accept it or no. This comes at the point because Tammy Abraham is moving from club to club. He's moving from Premier League, so we have to keep in mind that if he's in a Premier League club with the caliber of Chelsea, so he would want to move to some club in the Premier League only, where he can compete for similar titles in 1 year or 2 years time maybe. Whereas going to Roma might have different effect on his career, but we still never know what can happen in the future. That is still up for a debate. And right now, Roma's manager, that is the general manager, Thiago Pinto, will be in London with his agent and of course with Tammy's agent to discuss a possible move, and they'll possibly try to convince Tammy Abraham as well. And I'm sure that Jose Mourinho will surely have an input in that conversation as well. So Tammy Abraham is definitely moving away. And in addition, I would like to add before Tammy's place is that Arsenal are also interested in Tammy Abraham and they want to push towards the deal. And they're also eager to match his salary even. But Arsenal's transfer for Tammy depends totally on his liking and of course Alexander Lacazette's departure from the Arsenal Football Club. That is the whole thing right here. So that's case closed for Tammy because the next person we are talking about is Romelu Lukaku. So the next person we are actually talking about is the striker that Chelsea is actually about to re-sign. And that is of course the famous Romelu Lukaku. Chelsea fans are of course very excited. They are yet to welcome him as he is officially yet to be announced. But actually the topic of this debate is not the transfer. The topic is when he'll actually play. Because a lot of people thought that he'll feature in the Super Cup. But actually what happened was he didn't come in time. He went to France first to get his contract extended with his agent for the representation that represents him of course, and then he came to London. As he landed in London last night only, it was confirmed officially. And you know why? A lot of thing has been going on the Twitter, reports of the journalists that Lukaku will play in the league's opener or no, but there has been now major doubts cast like because Lukaku has to quarantine in order to first play in Premier League. So that is a case of course due to the COVID times we are living in. And it is yet to be seen because there are some reports that Lukaku went out for lunch, Lukaku went out for dinner. It could be anything. These reports are just, of course, a mix of emotions from the people only. But we are yet to see the first public appearance of Romelu Lukaku in Chelsea colours. And of course, once the board reveals it, yeah, Lukaku is eligible to play. He'll definitely play. Because a lot of times when you're traveling from one country to country in Europe, the restrictions are a bit eased out because he has been on that kind of a move because Italy, France, and then England. We have to see. If there is COVID protocol, he has to follow it. There is no exception because, of course, the league is equal for all. And that's it all for the news. I hope that the next time when the video is on, we have official Lukaku announcement soon. And we'll see him play eventually. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Peace.